Today I'm going to show you guys one of the best investment property right here in Fall River. And the best thing about this property is you're not too far from the Highway 24, which will take you to Boston and Rhode Island. And also you have the Walmart right here a couple minutes away, McDonald's, gas station, and it's in a decent neighborhood. And the best thing about this house is the yard is massive. Can't wait to show you guys the yard. And not only that, you get the garage. And let me just show you guys the neighbor real quick. Really decent neighborhood, nice and quiet. And we're gonna go inside, walk into the front door, going upstairs. Here you're gonna find 3 bedrooms, full kitchen. And look at that, got this beautiful fireplace here. I love the layout of this house. It does need some cosmetic stuff, some upgrading, but it's a decent size home, just under 2,000 square footage. And here you have the kitchen with a nice updating. This house can turn into a beautiful home here. And you have the porch with a nice view. And stick around because I'm gonna show you guys the yard, which is, that's what like a lot of people when they reach out to me, they gotta have the yard. If you have kids, you gotta have the yard. And the cabinets, in my opinion, for me, I would replace them with the white cabinets. White shaker cabinets here in Massachusetts is very popular here. And also the countertop, I would probably add some quartz countertop here, replace the appliances. If you're gonna invest in this property, whether you're gonna flip it or if you're gonna keep it, depends on how expensive you wanna make it. But I would replace the sink and also, new appliances. The kitchen floor, I'll probably definitely replace the kitchen floor. But it has a beautiful layout here. And you have this beautiful fireplace here. And as I mentioned before, this house was built in 1984. And you got the brick wall here, which is pretty cool. I would leave the bricks over there. And for the baseboard heating system, they don't look too bad, but you might have to replace them, or you might have to paint them. Now for the windows, they look in pretty good shape, pretty good windows here, and you definitely need new painting. And for the floors, you could probably put something on top of this. Again, it depends what you want to do. If you're gonna keep this house or if you're gonna flip it. Everybody have different vision, so it depends what you want to do. And we got the sink, and look at that, you got the window right here. Let's say if you have kids playing on the yard, and you could be right here doing dishes, and you could be watching your kids. And we have the fridge here. Now, as you walk here on the hallway, this is where you're gonna find your full bathroom. Wow, look at the size of this bathroom. Massive bathroom right here. And here you got the shower. You got the tub right here for the shower. Got the window. It does have some tile right now. And like I said, if you upgrade this bathroom, have your decent sized bathroom here. And across from the bathroom, this is where you have 1 bedroom, decent sized bedroom, high ceilings, with a decent sized closet. And across from that bedroom, you have another 2 bedrooms here, decent sized bedroom as well. And all the bedrooms, they do have closets, so You know, you have plenty of space to put your clothes. And this is the other bedroom. Oh, I had this carpet. Yeah, this definitely got to get rid of this carpet. Get rid of this carpet, put a new floor. And you have the closet. And oh, nice, you got the thermostat in the room, which you can control the heat here, which is pretty cool. Now let me go downstairs and show you guys one of the coolest thing that you're probably gonna see. When I got into this house, I was kind of like, oh, what is that? This is probably one of the coolest things you're gonna see today. So when you come to the front door, and then when you go downstairs through the basement, that's why, you know, this house is like, you have plenty of space. Go inside to the basement, boom, look, you have another full bathroom right here in the basement with a stand-up shower. And let me show you guys something. Look at that, hello. Say hello to the goat. So down here in the basement, you have extra space right here. Maybe you can turn this into like a bar, or you could put like a pool table right here, or just extra space for the kids. And you have the heat. This house was built in 1984, and as I mentioned before, it's sitting on just under 2,000 square footage, and it's sitting on 0.25 acres, which is massive, decent size. And there's no light over here, so it's going to be a little bit dark. But here you have an extra space, extra room right here, and this is where you have the utilities. Got the system for the heat, and I guess right here you could do your laundry room right here. Then you have the boiler, and here's the door to go to the backyard, which is I'm not gonna touch it. We're gonna go to the backyard on the other side. Just make sure to stick around, because I'm gonna show you guys the size of the yard. It's massive. And of course right here is the door to go to the garage, which is super cool. Got an extra space. I don't think the light is working over here. Let me see. Oh, it is working. So you got the garage right here. You could probably fit two small cars here in the garage. The home is currently vacant right now. It's ready to be upgraded. And if you have any question, reach out to me. And to make sure, and if you have any question, reach out to me. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And let me show you guys the neighborhood a little bit. There's a mix of single-family homes and multi-family homes in this area, but it's pretty quiet area here. And as I mentioned before, you're just like 3-4 minutes away from Walmart, and there's McDonald's, gas station, and you get on the Highway 124 right away. If you're going to be working in Boston or Rhode Island, you're not too far from the highway. And look at the yard. Massive. You could put a pool here. You could put a shed, whatever you want to put it here. You got plenty of space. You could do a little garden. And oh, looks like they have strawberry. Is that strawberry? Yeah, you could put make a garden over here. And this is a decent sized porch. Beautiful porch here. Oh, I like it. And right here you got the beautiful view here from this porch. And if you look at the other house, you see how they have massive pool there. You can put one here as well. You know, it's beautiful, beautiful home here. Let me safely get down. Yeah, this is, I love this yard. Plenty of space here in this yard. Yeah, here's the garage. And you have the brick around it, which is pretty cool. And let me give you guys a little quick tour about this area here. Mix of single family homes, multifamily homes. It's in a quiet neighborhood, plenty of parks on the street. It's a beautiful area here. If you guys have any question about this home, reach out to me. All my information will be in the description below. You can also text the phone number that you see on the screen, and you can send me an email and I'll get back to you. And subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next episode.